In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see members in Skool. Whether you're managing a group or just getting familiar with a new community, knowing who's inside is incredibly helpful. Skool keeps this simple and consistent so you can quickly understand the makeup of your group. Here's exactly how it works and what to expect. When you're on your group's main page in Skool, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the group's header and just beneath it a horizontal menu that serves as your primary navigation. This is where Skool places the key areas of your community. The option you want is labeled Members. That's the one and only place you need to go. To see members in a Skool community, click the Members tab in the top menu of your group. The moment you select that tab, Skool will open the community's member directory. You'll typically see a clean list of people who belong to that group, often with profile photos, display names, and sometimes roles or join details, depending on how the community is configured. This page gives you a quick snapshot of the community size and the people you're engaging with. A few helpful notes about finding the tab. The menu usually sits right under the group banner and stretches across the top. If your browser window is narrow, the menu may appear more compact, but the Members label remains the same. If you belong to multiple groups, make sure you're viewing the correct one before you click. The Members tab shows the roster for the group you're currently in, not all your groups at once. If you don't see a Members tab, it may be due to the community settings or your access level. Some groups choose to limit visibility of their member list. In those cases, the tab might not appear for certain roles, or the directory may not be available. That's normal and simply reflects how the group admin wants to handle privacy. Once you're looking at the member list, take a moment to get oriented. The layout is designed to be straightforward so you can quickly recognize familiar faces, see who's new, and better understand the community you're participating in. It's a great place to confirm you're in the right group and to get a feel for the audience you'll be interacting with. And that's all there is to it. Remember, the key action is simple. Click the Members tab in the top menu of your group. From there, Skool does the rest, presenting the people behind the community in one clear, easy-to-browse view.